copycat energy trying to embody your energy so that they can steal and block your blessings. I feel as if there's an individual who is very fixated on you to the point where they are obsessed with you. This person is very trapped in the head in regards to you. They're trying to work you out. They're trying to work out your next move. They stay awake at night obsessing about what you're going to do, how you're going to do it, and how they're going to get it before you. This person is trying to affect your confidence. They're trying to affect your stability. They could be trying to affect your home life. They could be trying to affect how you view yourself, your confidence, how people view you. I feel like this person doesn't want you to get something. They do not want you to expand. I feel like this person wants you to feel as if you are left out in the cold, unfortunately. They want you to be destitute. They want you to be struggling. For some of you, they want you to beg them for help. I also feel as if this individual wants you to be alone. They don't want you to have a love interest, or they want to take a love interest away from you. They may want to take a job away from you. This person could be trying to compete with you at work. I feel as if this person is very obsessed with your energy because they see your energy as very healing, very soothing, earth angel like. They see the way people are drawn to you. They see the way that people gravitate towards you. They see the way that you can converse and connect with people from all walks of life, and they feel as if they don't have the same ability. Their energy actually repels other people, and they feel that other people are drawn to your light, drawn to your energy. I feel as if this individual is very fearful of you climbing up in the career ladder. They don't want you to get a job, a role, a person. This individual gives off the energy of feeling that they are a queen or a princess. They want princess and queen privileges. Now, there's nothing wrong with feeling good about yourself, but there is an energy of being deluded with this individual. I feel like this individual wants you to leave a town, a city, a place, wherever you reside, where this person is also. They feel like there's only one person that can shine. And because you're not leaving this town, city, or place, this person feels that the only thing they can do is to copy you, is to copy your energy, is to copy your behavior patterns, your personality, the way you look, the way you do your hair, the way you walk, the way you talk. It's very, very weird. I feel like this person feels as if they act like you, they will gain your blessings. Now, for some of you, unfortunately, it has worked for a time, but yeah, unfortunately for them, the mask did actually slip. You see, this individual wants the whole shebang, and they feel like you either got the whole shebang or you're going to get this whole shebang. And this is the 10 of Cups. 10 of Cups represents living that happier ever after life. Now, nothing's perfect, but to this individual on the outside looking in, they feel like you're living this perfect life. This person feels isolated and alone, and they feel like anything you touch turns to gold. This person wants to swap energies with you. They've been trying to swap energies with you. They've been trying to downplay your energy. They've been trying to embody your energy. They have got one thing wrong, because you operate with love. You see, this person is extremely selfish. They are a me first individual. They are not connected to self. They are disconnected from source. So that's when people start to realize, or will start to realize, that this individual is false. They are a fake. I feel like this person is trying to maybe steal your friends, maybe steal a love interest, maybe trying to block connections from coming your way, because this individual just feels very sad in life. You know, they lack any true connections. Even if they're in a relationship, they're not happy. They don't really feel that soulmate connection with their person. They don't really gel with friends. They don't really get on with their family members. And when they see that you get on with a lot of people, when they see how people react towards you, it really upsets them. I feel like this person has been casting glamour magic over everyone that they are around. They are trying to act as if they are the real deal, and you are, in fact, the imposter. You know, this energy that they're in is wearing off because it's not their own. They were only able to manipulate the situation and other people because they were around you, because they were able to be in close proximity towards you so that they can study you and learn you. But the thing is, you are jumping into different timelines. So even if they caught last season's, you know, timeline of you, you have already jumped onto a new timeline. So they are running out of ideas. You know, you keep reinventing yourself, you keep reinventing your personality. 1 minute you could be loud, next minute you could be quiet. 1 minute you're there, next minute you're not there. You know, you're just switching it up on them. And I don't feel like it's done intentionally. For some of you it is, and Spirit is, you know, giving you a thumbs up for that. You're keeping this person on their toes, and basically what this person is trying to do is backfiring. They are coming so disconnected with themselves that it's making them extremely confused. It's making them feel discombobulated. It's making them have multiple characters and personalities that people are looking at them sideways. It's making them become very frustrated, very irritable, very angry, very moody, because it wasn't their energy in the first place. And they're trying to capture who you are in the now. Who you are in the now is the embodiment of love. Who this person is in the now, and will forever will be, unless they do the inner work, is in the embodiment of spite, is in the embodiment of envy, is in the embodiment of jealousy, is in the embodiment of bitterness, is in the embodiment of evil. So this individual is going to forever play catch up. And I don't feel like it's the first time that this person has done this, but you are going to be this person's last stop. You are going to teach this person a lesson, or you are teaching this person a lesson that, you know, they need to connect with themselves. They need to get to know themselves. They need to be at peace with themselves. And that's why they cannot fully embody your energy, because you are at peace with yourself. You are accepting of yourself. You do the shadow work. You do the inner work. You pull yourself up when you make mistakes. This person always thinks that they're right. This person just wants to seek validation from others. You know, this person is very selfish. This person is very material based. And this person is a complete opposite energy from you, and that's why they felt the need to try to embody your energy, to gain your blessings, to gain the attention that you gain. And the thing is, it's not about gaining attention from any random person. You generally like to uplift and heal others. You generally like to have great interactions and build, you know, soulful connections with other people. This person is very surface based, so even if they're trying to be you, they will never be you. They're very surface based, they're very fake, and they're very mean-spirited. And soon enough, people find this out about this person, and they quickly move away from them. Judgment is going to be casted on this person's head. Spirit wants you to keep a distance from this person. Keep shining your light wherever you go. Switch it up if you want to, and just keep being the best version of you. This individual is going to face many blockages, and they are going to have to do the inner work. They're trying to run away from themselves, but they are going to run out of ideas. And Spirit is saying that it stops with you.